Please permit me to say something that happened between me and Very Dark Man when we saw each other here in Lugbe in one of from primary school during this Saturday cleaning. I pray that this video go viral. Now I met VDM and we were talking to each other. VDM was talking to me for like 1 minute. Yes, but the issue I have is not VDM, but someone that took me that was videoing me when VDM was talking to me one-on-one, and he was asking me questions. So the evidence of that video, someone eliminated the evidence. Now, you know why I'm doing this video is to let the world know that sometimes someone that you know can be your worst enemy without you knowing. Now, here in Abuja, there is a guy. I don't want to put his picture so that let's look as if I am exposing him. No, let me allow him. So this guy is a content creator. Yes, he's a content creator here in Abuja. He always do like deaf and dumb content creating. So we always work together. I will video him, he will video me. So he always try his best to meet VDM, but in most cases his opportunity fails. Though I always try to picture him. Each time he tried to go close to VDM, I will picture him from afar. Now, the day VDM came to Lugbe here in Lugbe, I pictured him with Kokopi and he was happy. Now, I was never expected that VDM will saw my banner because I was contesting for vice president of Latel. So I was never expected that VDM will come to me. Unfortunately, VDM approached me and he was, who did this banner? I said, I'm the one. So we started talking to each other one-on-one, face-to-face, like for 1 minute. I was so happy. Though VDM did not accept my motive, but in the same time he talked to me like a brother. He said, you can start your good in your own platform, others will follow. But when all this thing was going on, it was my greatest achievement in the public, where people are trying to talk to him, but I got that attention with just my banner. Now this guy was videoing everything. After videoing it, I saw the video because he used his phone to video it. I said, okay, when we get home, I will post it. I was so happy, so that I can tell Nigeria, my followers, that okay, VDM did not accept my motive of becoming Latel vice president. Do you know what? Before we get home, this guy deleted the video from the gallery and from the trash. He deleted it. And when I asked him where is the video, he said he deleted the video by mistake. But when he was talking, I saw envy and jealous inside his eyes. Though we have issue that day, and since that time we don't talk together. Now this is how this guy eliminated my as in one of my best achievements. Because imagine when others are trying their best to talk to VDM, I have that opportunity. Though that was not my first time to have opportunity to talk to VDM. I was able to meet VDM inside foreign affairs office, where I went to for drop somebody through boat. So I approached VDM, I greeted him. So but he was in a hurry because he came with some lawyers. I don't know what they were trying to discuss. So he just waved me and said, good afternoon, well done. So I was telling him to let's snap, but he was in a hurry. So that was my first time of meeting him. Before that day when he met me face to face, the video that you are seeing here was when VDM was talking to me inside that school. I was one that he was talking to. This video that you're watching now, but the person that videoed this one did not video me. He was only focusing on VDM. Before he captured me was when he was removing the camera. That was when he captured me. So as this is how somebody that I took as a friend, as paddy, I sacrificed a lot for him because he doesn't have anything. So I sacrificed a lot for him. So but this guy betrayed me. This is how somebody eliminated my best achievement, all because of envy and jealousy. I don't know if I'll have opportunity for this again, but in any case, I still believe in God.